In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft account. To get started, open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer. In this example, I'm using an incognito or private browsing window. This part is optional, but it can be helpful because it prevents the browser from automatically signing in with an existing account or showing saved login details. If you already have a normal browser window open, and want to use that instead, that's completely fine. Once your browser is ready, go to the search bar and type in Microsoft account. Press Enter and look through the results. You'll want to click the first official Microsoft result. Make sure it's the real Microsoft website so you know you're creating your account in the correct place. After the page loads, click Sign In. Even though you're making a brand new account, this is the right place to begin. On the sign-in page, look for the option that says Create One and click it. This will take you to the account creation process. Next, choose the option to get a new email address and create one. This is useful if you want a brand new Microsoft email instead of using an existing email address. You'll be asked to enter the email name you want. Try to pick something simple, professional, and easy to remember, since this may become the username you use for Microsoft services like Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, or Windows Sign-In. After that, create your password and click Next. Make sure your password is strong and secure. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also a good idea to use something unique that you don't reuse on other websites. You'll then be asked to select your country and continue filling out the necessary details. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen carefully. This may include basic information needed to set up your account properly. Take your time here and double-check everything before moving forward, especially spelling and region selection, because these details can affect how your account is set up. As you continue, Microsoft may ask you to complete a verification step to confirm that you're a real person. Just follow the on-screen instructions until the setup is complete. Once you've finished all the required steps, your Microsoft account will be created and ready to use. From there, you'll be able to sign into Microsoft services and start using your new account right away.